Okay, today we do a project here, Civic SI Turbo. Gonna change the fabricate, all the cooler pipe and everything, guys. Yeah, look at that. Intercooler pipe and everything, and tune it. Giờ mấy cái đó xuống, con cắt cái này nào đó. Yeah, I come back after the racing grid life and they do pretty good, but they need more good time, guys. More good time. Yeah. Nice car. Ooh. Super sexy. Okay, so over here now on the dyno ready, yeah, ready to tune it, guys. Look at that. I put a wide band on. Yeah, see how much horsepower. That's when I charge one time, so I tune just one because I make sure everything run right and good for you. But if you update something later on, it will be like yep, let's get it down. We tune this SI today, this Turbo SI. Yeah, and we're gonna tune this. We're gonna check this out too. Look at that, going down. We're gonna tune it today. Ready to tune today?
Hoping to, man. Just gotta get to the wastegate spring here.
Yeah.
Not much room.
How many pound boost you think they can handle?
Right now we're just going 9.
9 pound. 9 pound. How many horsepower you shooting at?
Yeah,
300.
say 330.
330. Okay. Yeah. Let's see.
I'll get it ready next after winter to go over 4.
Yeah. You go ice cube crew this year?
Oh, you know it.
Okay.
You know it. Been a few years.
Import face off is yesterday.
You what?
Import face off.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
Yeah.
Did you go?
No, I'm busy. I have to stay home. I stay home the whole week. Yeah, like last week.
Yeah, working every day, right?
Yeah.
feel? How you feel? My heart rate's going right now. Holy shit, that is.
Okay, it's already done. How much is made? 307. 307, guys. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. Crazy. How many pounds?
33.
What? 9 pounds?
8 pounds.
10 pounds, guys. 10 pound boost. Yep, it's already done. Time to drive home. Go một cua idle, huh? Yeah.
Alive.
Alright.
Thanks, my man.
See ya. Time to leave the shop, guys. Woo, baby. Yeah. Finally done. After being like a week. It was nice. Get together, everything. Woo, see ya. See ya, baby. Smooth. Our new design shirt coming. Speed Edition, guy, on the turbo, and Phammotorsport is over here. It's sports S. It's over here. Okay, Nate, you wanna come get it? Yep, damn legend, guys. Woo, new edition. Very, very nice. Speed Edition, guy. Look at that. Sexy, sexy.